is really big.
Yeah?
Look.
You stealth camp? No. This is in case of a tornado.
Did you already explain the whole bathroom fiasco?
I have not explained anything. I really hope we don't regret this. Shall we? This looks amazing. What do you think of the stone?
It's great. Did this all come from here?
Apparently, it was all this pile.
That's a lot.
I know.
More than I thought.
And he pushed it all over there, so like you can park all out front and figure out what to do in here. Garden beds probably along the perimeter.
Not our house.
Full shade.
There's a brick.
Well, it is our house, but I get what you're saying.
Yes!
What?
Filled in and it's level.
I know.
Remember it was a
It was
big
just,
dip?
it was, you couldn't cut the grass in here.
Yeah. Guess who doesn't have to cut grass this summer?
Steph and Brian. Steph.
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's wonderful. It
That's
looks
good.
so good.
So, this was just a mangled mess of RV camping for decades. That's what this was. And everybody sank. What do you think? You looking at the hole?
Yeah.
So it's filled with sand so we can dig it back out. That was like telephone poles. That's what the idea was here. So it was all the clay and everything was removed. Filled with sand so you can hand dig if you need to. But yeah, that's next. Connected services there.
Sweet.
Yup.
Wow.
You haven't seen this yet.
No, look at this. You can walk pretty far back
It's
here.
a 2-foot walk-in closet. This is the plus one. You could put a single bed in here.
Steve would sleep in there.
Steve
Wow.
Wallace?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cleanest it's ever been.
Yeah, isn't that
Oh,
gnarly?
there's 2 closets.
Well, there's 3, right? This is what I was saying. Like, this is your storage, and then there's 2 closets, but
Wow, I like it.
this is where the hot water tank goes. I'm a hot water tank!
Oh yeah, that's a problem.
Why?
You lose a lot of space with a hot water tank.
Well, if it's here, if it's on demand, it needs a vent.
Yeah.
So it's got to go out that wall. That's an oversight decision. So it's going
Fair.
to be a hot water tank. Pot lights.
Oh, those are for pot.
Pot lights everywhere.
Oh. Cool.
Pot light, pot light, pot light, pot
Fan?
light, pot light, ceiling fan. Shoot, he showed me where the smoke alarm is. I wasn't
Here.
paying attention. There it is. Smoke alarm, pot lights, fire alarm, and then all the rough-ins. Everything's done, so it's inspection time now. Even coming down to the panel over here. Boom, look at that.
Switches.
Can you believe it?
It's amazing.
I know.
So that's the stove.
Is this a light
Kitchen
switch?
switches. Yeah.
But the yellow is
They're
a higher grade. You know.
yeah, for the kitchen.
So is it 12 tube, 14?
GFCI protected 12.
Because of water? Is that what that
10.
is? This is 10 2?
No, I can't see it.
What's standards 14 2? 12 2?
12 2.
I'm no electrician. 4 2, 8 2, 7 2, 8 2. It's all gauge of wires. Thick. The stove is right there on its own, as it should
So the
be.
yellow ones go to the kitchen because they're higher for the appliances.
Like microwaves without popping circuits, right? A microwave's on, the stove's on, the oven's on. Yeah.
And they'll all be GFCI.
They'll all be
At the
GFCI.
box?
Look, half wall.
There's no wire to here yet. Oh well, all the wires are not run.
No, this is as far as we got. Well, the box is here. This box is here.
Geez, there's gonna be storage on top of the washer dryer.
There's gonna be a ton of storage. Like here again,
Yeah, like
stackable washer. You
if
could
they're
get 4
stackable.
washer dryers in here. That's it. This is a laundry mat. Put 2 stackables there, and a step stool, a ladder on the sidewall.
Well, it's a great place to like put your linens above
Murphy
the-
beds. Hostel. Washer dryer.
I think there's enough
One
room for
bathtub.
all the beds upstairs.
And then like a canoe on that wall. There's room for all kinds of things.
Did you already explain the whole bathroom fiasco?
I have not explained anything. Good suspense. Good foreshadowing there, though.
All right.
Yeah. You can go upstairs and look at it.
This is cool.
I know.
I like it.
I know. Look, it's all clean.
No railing. You don't need a railing.
No, because it's a certain height. I don't know. Code. Look, all the electrical's done, friends. Look at that.
Fire alarm.
Fire alarm. Pot light.
Fan.
Ceiling fan. Pot light. Pot light.
Ceiling fan with a mini box.
Yeah.
So it's like tight to the ceiling.
Yep. You want to tell them?
So there was supposed to be a bathroom here.
There was supposed to be a bathroom here.
There's no plumbing here.
There's no plumbing here. There's no hydro. There's nothing.
Well, there's hydro.
Oh, right. Your standard plug, but not on these walls that were never built right here.
No.
Well, YouTube fam, there have been so many moving parts and so many hands and cooks in the kitchen and kitchens in the chefs and whatever the saying is. We're scrapping the bathroom upstairs.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll regret it.
I don't think so.
It was going to be a toilet and a shower in this space, but now there's an opportunity to put up a wall and make a second bedroom. We're thinking the second bedroom is more affordable than a stall shower here, especially if the big bathroom's downstairs. You know, would this even be used as a shower, or is it just the toilet for someone that's sleeping up here? But that can always be added because all the plumbing's right in this corner already.
Yeah.
I'm good with it. I'm good with 2 beds, 1 bath.
Yeah.
2 plus 1 bedrooms, 1 bathroom downstairs. This whole space is a dance floor.
Yeah.
YouTube studio.
Open dance floor.
Yeah. Scouts Canada can come up here and teach classes. It's so big.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Loft.
Loft.
Large loft.
It's warm up here though. Holy. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, you just have to use poly and looks like you though. Looks like you know what you're doing. These ones are all loops just like you do. Whatever the code is. 6-inch loop.
Yep.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Here and here.
I left a little more extra, but
Yeah.
oh, Aspinall overkill.
Aspinall overkill. That's how we roll. So look at this. I mean, you can cram 4 queen beds, 3 king beds up here if
There's
you wanted
2 lights
to.
on
So.
the stairs.
The stair light
Light?
switch at the bottom is massive. This one's only the double, but yeah, I guess the 2 lights.
Yeah, 2 lights on the stairs. This is amazing. This
Well,
is great.
yeah, and when I saw this, I was like, okay, if that ceiling fan's going right there, there's no way a wall is going right here.
No.
So let's keep the ceiling fan in the center of the room and let's scrap this for now and replan a water closet up here if we need one.
Yeah. I think it was overkill to begin with.
I agree.
Because how many people can really live in a small space? 2.
Well, that's just it. You get 2 bathrooms for 2 people, right? So good call, good call. Leave us a comment down below. I hope we don't regret this someday, but like we said, we can always cram a new one in. There's the downstairs bathroom. Plumbing can go up anytime.
Well, there's more goop.
Goop? Is this their goop?
Yeah, that's new goop.
Oh, you know what? Some of the wall on the outside was rotten. I think they've cut, that's still fresh.
Yeah?
I'm not even sure the sawdust was here this morning, to be honest with you. I think somebody's been here today. Did they do it on this wall? No, but this is brand new. This is a 2x6 wall. You see that? That's a 2x6 on the ground. And then over on this side, the original is only a 2x4 wall right here. And then we're sealing it here to the outside. What are you thinking?
Just looking.
Learning, inspecting, understanding?
Looks like I can do electrical.
Because this job looks exactly like what you would have done?
Yes.
Looks like what's done at home, and that passed an inspection, so, right?
Look at me.
That window's still here. Haven't a clue where it's going. I can't remember anymore. But new since the last video, the laundry half wall here, floor to ceiling, of course, so we can cram the stackable washer dryer in there with the fridge beside. This is finally finished, completely 100% framed. Hot water tank goes there. There's going to be a closet there. And then around this side, of course, storage under the stairs. That leads to the clean out right there. And all the electrical's done here for the pot lights. It's all been run. All been run. What are you looking for down there?
It's just really big.
Yeah?
Look.
You stealth camp?
You wouldn't know. You
Yeah.
wouldn't know I was in here.
No. This is in case of a tornado. This your home now? Like, in case of a tornado? You and the clean out under the stairs, Samantha. But yeah, there's no sense in closing that in. That's where you shove the Christmas lights,
People will store stuff back here and forget it's here, and it'll be here for years.
Treasures. I love it. I love it. We'll be pulling out a Michael Jordan print from 1993.
Well, I doubt that because it's 2024.
Well, but you know what? So it'll be the equivalent of like today's Michael Jordan under there.
Whoever that is.
There was a Michael Jordan print here on the wall. The original wall. You okay getting out of there now?
Yeah.
But that's a big storage space, huh? Like,
yeah.
Cram the lawnmower in there if you didn't care about grass clippings, eh? Because we're going to have to put a shed or something out here, but...
Wow.
I know. So much of it. Goopy goop. You put hooks on here, like this is where you hang the broom, you know? Snap, right there. Snapped.
Yeah, would you make that like your... No, would you put coats in here or in that one?
Yeah, and the beam at the front we talked about putting hooks on as well. The original post. I get it, like winter jackets here, seasonal.
Yeah, when you put your coats away, would they go up in here?
We managed to keep this beam here and this original post because it's cool. Drywall up to it. Craig asked, by the way. I said, yeah, drywall up to it, leave it exposed. He agreed.
Yeah.
Thought that was really cool. Yeah.
Okay.
So, and now double closets at the back.
This is great.
I know, and it's all cleaned up now too. Like it's just feeling like such a great space.
This is like the cleanest it's ever been since we've owned it.
It was a dark, moldy dungeon when we bought it. Damp, mold, like spider infestation.
This is probably from before.
Yeah.
Right?
You think?
Oh, I don't know.
That's oil stain from before? Could very well be.
There was a car in here, was there not?
There was a car.
And a lawnmower?
There was a car and an old lawnmower under a tarp sitting over here. The car had been here 20 years. It was just storage in this building.
This was the back room, right? Like there looks like there was...
Yeah, remember they had started to frame, somebody wanted to put a bedroom in this back corner. That's what this mark is on the cement. They had framed for a bedroom back here. This was all a garage. There was a classic car in here. It wasn't very classic, but it had been here for 20 years. They ran a beam across here that was doing nothing.
Right, it was like...
There was a steel beam, an I-beam, and a jack post, and it was only about 6 feet high in this space. Not anymore. These are massive, massive 12-foot ceilings. I know. And look, it's like all the accessible stuff for the plumbing. It's brilliant. We've got the plug here because there has to be one at the sink. This will be the sink. We've got the switch over here. Then there's a plug here on the outside wall. Yeah, there's going to be a vanity light up there. That's it. Oh, and a fan, right? That's a fan. That'll be a fan there, and it'll go out that roof, I'm sure. And there's another one there too.
Overhead light and fan, I guess.
Overhead light, overhead fan.
Pot? What does that mean? Pot and?
Pot and vanity.
Oh, and vanity.
Yeah.
That's a van.
That's a van. So yeah, labeled.
Remember making fun of me for writing?
I would never make fun of you for labeling like this. What?
For coloring and saying, this one's hot.
Yeah, no, I totally remember. I did do that. Yeah.
Look, everybody.
Are they all labeled here? These ones aren't, but I think it's self-explanatory, right? Some of these ones? Or are they labeled here?
No, not yet.
No. Oh well. Not yet. Crazy, there was a window here once. Right? There was a window there once. What's that?
This red and white goes upstairs.
And that's a bigger gauge.
No, it's the same. It just has the red.
Okay.
So this is for the
smoke alarm?
Smoke alarm, because they have the extra red. So this will have the power, and then he ran it up, and then it comes back down to this one.
Right.
So this will just be connected to power, I was thinking he was going to put a switch in for the fire alarms, but it'll just be hardwired to...
It'll just be hardwired to the... Yeah, into there.
Yeah.
Smart. That's the new code. Like, that's new law. Hardwired, 2 fire alarms hardwired. Not in my day. Check those batteries in the 90s and they were always dead.
They still have backup batteries.
Yeah, the new ones. I mean, when I was a kid, we had smoke alarms with just batteries that didn't work.
That is still wet.
It is still wet.
That white?
Yeah, yesterday, last night or today, it's definitely spongy, but it's just sealed to the outside, sealed to the elements, right?
Yeah.
That's all you have to do, seal it at the ground.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Hard to believe it's the same place. That's where the original garage door was. Now it's a patio door.
Really put like a coating or
Would you leave it that blue because it's fun?
I think so.
Just shellac
Just
the
take
crap out of it. Put 4 layers of
Yeah.
Varathane on it, and the drywall comes up to it, and then
Yeah.
hooks.
I think so.
I think that's pretty cool. Give us your ideas below, friends. What do you think? Hooks? What else? Umbrellas?
Umbrellas.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Property line over there.
The shed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sheds are supposed to be 4 feet from the property line. You see how these ones are.
Oh, right.
But we can put it, it's like 2 feet at the side and 4 at the back or something like that.
Put it in that corner.
Yeah, you
right?
put it in that corner because there's a whole room for a vehicle here.
Yeah. I think I would.
The property line's way out here, right in the middle of the tree.
So if we're 4
this
feet,
corner.
it's going like...
So you could drop it, yeah, lawnmower shed, utility shed would go right here.
I think that's a great spot for it.
I think it's a great spot for it too. And it gives us that blank canvas on the other side there
Yeah.
to do whatever we want.
And then that shed could be closer to this side or on the way far other side.
Yep, and it's vacant land on the other side of that too, so scores.
Sweet. I can't believe this. Like, the level.
I know, just seeing the landscaping done.
Like, I hated cutting the grass over there because it was like...
It was next to impossible. You just would bottom out, you know, into a rut.
Yeah.
But not now.
No.
Not now. It's nice and flat.
And is this going to be a drain thing?
What?
I don't know. Why is this here?
Bonfire.
Chunk.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be, look at all this space out here. Look at this. All the way out to this corner here. What did you find?
A pear.
It's a pear tree. Oh, there's some, yeah.
Do you want a pear?
Do I ever?
Not ripe. Actually, not bad.
Not bad?
You want to taste?
No, you didn't really sell it on me.
It's good. On your teeth. Flavor's good.
Flavor's there. Texture? No. Look at all the fishing boats out there. Can you even see them? Well guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the garage house cabin update video for you. Because now's the time to make that decision. If we're gonna cut it or not, it's time for insulation, vapor barrier, and drywall. That's gonna do it for another episode. As always, peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody a close hug, tell them they matter. Don't forget you matter. If you're still here, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. Leave us a comment down below. It helps grow this channel. Otherwise, we'll see y'all tomorrow.